time. What are we going to do?
This is before
What are we going to do?
start it. We put a chicken in it. I just want that look.
You should not be so close to that.
Don't funny about it. Before we could have a bit a before and that. You might find our abandoned so funny, but that's true. She might not find it too funny.
So, Paul,
I got a question.
Paul, why don't you tell us about this creation?
Well, it started off as a 1946 Chevy. It just had a flatbed on it, so we took the flatbed off and we had an idea of making it into this wonderful smoker. So originally I was gonna find an old LP tank, 1,000 gallon, and just put it on the back and, you know, do what we did with this. But we couldn't find one. Nobody was selling us one for some reason. So we made this tank. There's 9 shelves. There's 3 here, 3 there, and obviously 3 there. I don't know how much meat it'll hold, probably about $3,000 worth of meat these days, but should do a good job. So what we did, we made this smoker on the back, which you fill through here. We've got a little container there for the wood. So we go from there and throw it in here. And it travels along. We made a baffle in here. It travels along the bottom. And then the smoke comes from that end all the way back through here out of these stacks. So it keeps everything the same temperature. What does that look like that? So basically there's your that's your air intake for you if you want more heat and less heat, and you can always just do that and get even more fill, get it roaring. So we made these mudguards really sturdy, so you can stand on them, you can put the spoon and the trays on them and everything. That was lifts up your wood. Boom. There. And that's it. The 2 stacks come out the back with the plastic gloves on, just to stop water getting in until we start it up. But basically that's it. It looks $1 million, I think. And at these shows that it's going to go to, who wouldn't want a burger or some smoked pork out of something that looks like this? It'd be like a magnet to the customers. So there it is. We put a paint job on it that looks old, you know, in keeping with the age of the truck. So I think it turned out pretty good. Just need to put it to work.